How to zoom in and zoom out in TikTok videos. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily zoom in or zoom out in the TikTok videos. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your TikTok app. Then once you're in your TikTok app, go to that video that you want to zoom in or zoom out. So let's say for example, if I want to zoom in or zoom out this video, first what you have to do is you have to tap on the share button in the bottom right side here, and then you have to tap on save. You have to save this video, so tap on save video and wait for that video to save to your phone. And once the video is saved to your phone, you will need a app like this. This is MX Player app. It is available on both Android and iOS devices. So download this app and open it. Then here you have to find that video. So scroll down and open the TikTok folder. And here is the TikTok folder. Open it and open the video in which you want to zoom in and zoom out. So this was the video. Now play the video, and now you can just zoom in and zoom out like you do in pictures. You can just zoom in and zoom out, and so this is how you can zoom in or zoom out in TikTok videos. Thanks for watching.